Hey, welcome everyone. Today we're going to do a price prediction for SOFI. You guys can tell currently on my chart there's not one. We wanted to give the market more opportunity to see which side is controlling the price, whether it's the buyers or the sellers. And currently we have to give it to the buyers in the market in SOFI. But we need to talk about this price area right here first to see if this market's going to continue to go higher for SOFI. So welcome everyone to the channel. Hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content, especially tap that bell notification because I don't want you all to miss out on my videos that I produce here. We are here to give you all, if anything, an idea as to where we show opinion as to where we think the market's going to go in a simplistic way. So if you guys want to learn more about how we do this, then make sure you guys keep it locked right here. Now let's break this down real quick. Okay, currently we can say, look, yeah, SOFI, it is strong. The trend is definitely in favor of the buyers, but we may be pumping the brakes right now because of this sell pocket that price currently is trying to break through. The market in SOFI back in February, you guys can see that it did have issues of trying to go up in price right here, these 4 days. And that's when we began this massive sell-off into the market in SOFI. Price came back up to this pocket on April the 29th. The reaction wasn't good, telling us that the sellers were still here. And here we are today, knocking on the door of these sellers once again. This tells me that the buyers in SOFI are very relentless. They're not trying to let control of the price go and give it to the sellers. They're trying to hold it, and they're trying to move this market above the sell pocket to where we might see them touch $15.50, maybe even 17 bucks throughout this year. Now, let's see what's going to happen. First thing we're going to do is we already got the trend in place. So let's get rid of that. We want to show you, okay, these are areas that the buyers are telling us, hey, look, I want to buy SOFI right here. These 5 days, 6 days of trading, the price did not fall below $12.40. Somebody was buying the stock there. And since they were buying at this area, that tells us that they still want the market to go up. If they didn't want to buy SOFI, trust, these 6 price bars would not be here. It would reflect weakness. It would reflect selling, but that's not what we have. Someone wanted to buy SOFI there, and we appreciate them giving us this evidence. Let's look at the market in SOFI on the 2. So here it is on the 2. Pretty good spread. The volume is high on this current 2-day price bar, and we saw the market close higher than the open of this 2 days, as well as the high of the prior 2 days. Again, all this is just showing us how strong the market is in SOFI. Here it is on the 3. Okay, this 3-day price bar, we were supposed to see right here on this 3-day, the market in SOFI go down. It's supposed to go down because that is what the price bar is resembling. But did we get that in the next 3 days? No. In fact, the next 3 days, the market in SOFI still went up. The price closed at the high of the bar, and then we still got confirmation that this market's being controlled by the buyers on the last printed 3 days. So all in all, the idea is that SOFI is bullish. The idea is that the market in SOFI is going to continue to try to go up. Here it is on the 4. Take a look at SOFI on the 5. Again, this is bullish here too. Boom. Market gave us a very wide spread. Price closed at the high of the bar. The idea is that the market's going to continue to go up. Okay. Here it is on the 5-hour chart. I think this area right here is going to be real important to see the market in SOFI continue to go up. We don't want to see the buyers relinquish control of that area. Here it is on the 330. This looks like this may be another pocket for us here too. If not this one, it'll be this pocket down there. Yeah, that's a pretty good buy pocket right there. Okay, so yeah, we'll do that. Back on the daily, we're going to look for the market in SOFI to go up. I just want to caution you that we know that we are hitting a sell pocket right now. So if the reaction is not good, the price continues to go down in SOFI. We want to look at the type of how reactive price is as we look for price to break through the sell pocket. What I mean is you want to see as we hit this sell pocket, right? What type of reaction are we going to get? It's going to be a quick boom move back down to the downside, because that will signify that these sellers are strong. Or will we get a move to where the market, yeah, it gets hit, but it's very shallow. The market's not really reacting negatively to it, and it just hugs the sell pocket. Then that tells you that this market is still bullish and that you're going to look for the market to continue to go up. Okay, so let's look at the type of reaction we get. You don't want to see anything like that. You want to see something that is slow to where market price does go down, but immediately the market tries to come back up and tries to bang through that sell pocket so it can continue to go higher. Okay. So yeah, don't be surprised if the market in SOFI does not go up, because we have already seen price hit a pocket, a sell pocket. So now our first target, just to nibble off this move, would be at the high of this sell pocket of 4.5% move higher, $15. Our second target is going to be at this next sell pocket at 15.50, 8.6, and at the high 9.71. We're running all the way up here to $16.75 as we continue to see the market trade. All right, so that's where we're at right now. Let's go ahead and save that, and we'll see what the market does. And if you don't see the market becoming more bullish as it continues to try to chip away at this sell pocket, then you know what you need to do. You need to cut the position and wait for another opportunity. That's how this game is meant to be played, non-emotional. So give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.